Come on, Andy. Let's see if we can get you. Yeah, hopefully you'll fall. Here he comes. As you can see, we just walked straight in. Oh. Anyway, here's where we're going to be going in 2 seconds, guys and girls. So
I've seen this somewhere.
I know. So here I am now, exploring with Andy, and we have come across the crown jewels. And I think there's not just one building. Like, look, we've got that one there with a tower. We've got this here. We've got that there. We've got clocks. We've got. It's like a city. This is Fred Dibnah's pawn. Like, this is where Fred Dibnah. Oh man, I bet Fred Dibnah's been here. But wow, if you guys could actually see what we can see now. We just hope there's a way into every bit of it. I don't know. I've seen these before. You know what that is there? I think it looks like a bridge, but oh my gosh, look at this here. Wow, look, there's a way in there straight away. Yeah, there's the road. I told you that place. We drove past it. I knew it, Conehead. Yeah, look. Wow. And there's a way in there. Look at this place, guys. Just look at the beauty of it. Now, we always get excited, me, when I find places like this and come up with stupid words like, oh, it's so beautiful. Look how pretty it is. Now, we're in the middle of nowhere here. We're not going to let you see where we are, because you never let us. Yeah. Nah, it's on the other side, isn't it? You can't even get here, because look where the fence is. The fence is blocking it, Cone. You can't. Come on, yeah, don't let anyone see us, Cone. Well, anyway, so there's that. And now, guys and gals, comes the fun part, because we know for a fact we can, if need be, get through here, which is the women's toilets, and that takes you fully into the building. But I'm hoping there'll be a quicker way, but I don't know. But this is the place with the finger. This is the one I want to see. Wow, Andy, this place is amazing, isn't it? Look, it's got its own fuel pump, Conehead. Oh, look at that.
How much is it a litre?
It's free. It's nothing. Oh, fuel, man. Right, let's see if there's any back doors to this place. Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it? But I want to get in here before getting anywhere. I'd love to see if we can get in here, and I'd love to see if we can get into that tower place. I don't know what you think. Oh, we're going to have to go through that. Yeah, let's look. Should we just jump? Is there any ladders around here? Wow. Oh, this is a beauty, this one, Conehead, mate. It's like a village. So yeah, we're going to try and get back in here, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So we're still trying to find a way in. This is lovely. It really is. Ah, well, there's a way in, maybe through there. We know we've got a way into that bit there, what we like, but where's that tower there, what we like? It was in here, weren't it? Oh look, we can get into there, we could get in through that. So yeah, this place is a beast, guys. I'll let you know we've been there soon. Check Andy out. The light behind as well, crap. Whoa. Right, anyway. So, I just gotta pull on the camera. Now.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Well, no time to fuck about. I think this has got to be the, oh my god, this has got to be the best of the best, hasn't it? Wow.
So what I like about places like this,
What?
not been destroyed, have they?
That's what I mean, you know. Do you reckon this is safe, this? Oh, I don't know shit, I'm going up there, mate.
Sealed.
I know, but I do weigh a bit. There's no balconies or now. Oh, let's not go up at the same time, Conehead. What? Right, anyway, sorry about this, guys. Oh my days, you don't feel so safe when you get up here. Wow. Anyway, guys. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at them here. These, look, someone's cut all these down to weigh in, hasn't they? Oh, look at that skeleton. Oh my days, look at that.
The fuck's that?
Fucking skeleton, mate. Oh my god, where's the clock tower? Is it? So here we're into a little kitchen. Nice little kitchen, what brings us out. Now there's a clock tower somewhere. Right there's a clock tower, right here. There it is there. There's the clock tower. I'm heading to the clock tower. Look at all these old beams. This place is just absolutely stunning. And it's sad because look, someone's come here and not only have they started cutting all this heavy brass down, they've made mine and Conehead's descent a lot more dodgier. Now, I think that goes onto the roof, Conehead. I don't know if you want to give it a tug. Oh, Andy, come here. Check this bar out, yo. Oh my days, mate. This is just, look at all, oh god, I'm sorry. This is why I can't put none of my videos online, because I sound like a right puff. Like, how old are even any of these? Like, guys, I don't know if you know any of these Chevys. TO, something. What, 1790? I know, oh shit, yeah. Look at that though, that is just, that's something that's lost in history. Right, I'm going to carry on recording me because I want to get all of this on footage if I can. In fact, yeah, what the... Yeah, Conehead. Andy, here's a clock tower, mate. Wow, look, someone's tried banging it shut. That's the clock tower right there. And look, look at that there. That's going outside. One sec, is, do you reckon it opens up or what? No, I'm not really a spider kind of guy, me, but...
Push it with your hand up, go up there.
Oh my days, look at it. Oh my god, it moves as well. Oh my god. Oh guys, look at that. Now that's the old clock there. I'm sorry, but I'm going up the back in a sec. That's all, I didn't know. One sec. Yeah. Just let me make sure it's all safe. It's a bit... I'm stood next to a fucking bell. And... Right, one step, Conehead. Oh my god, it gets you and rot you. Oh my days, oh my god. Right, I don't know about these ones here, but guys, I've just got to show you this here. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm sorry, but I'm going up. The one step, Conehead. Oh, sorry, can I just use this one step, pal? Oh god. Yeah. You only live once. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I know I'm so recording here, guys. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh my god. There's one step going on. Oh my days, mate. This is unbelievable, this. It really is. This is actually unbelievable. Right, one sec guys, sorry about this. Where I am stood right now, wow. Now look at these old bells and oh my gosh, this is just unbelievable. Andy, are you coming up here?
Yeah.
Right, just give me one sec. Yeah, Conrad. Do you want me to pass you? Oh, it doesn't matter. Right, so yeah. Oh my god, I can turn the clock. Oh my god, I can change the time. Check this out now, lad. Just look at this, yeah. If I just do that. Someone outside is even looking at this clock. Now there's where the clock hand is. There's where all the old wheels are. Now look at this, guys. This is just... Now to be honest with you, yeah? Yeah, one sec, mate. Let me just grab it. Go on, I've got it. Now, I can't even believe that we're up here. Here's Andy coming up now. I can't not believe where we are. Look, there's a tree in here and everything. I just cannot believe it. The old bells there, that's the old pulley system, I'm assuming. That feels unsecure like heck. But wow, right, what the fuck? I know, Conrad. I don't even know what to do. I know, but look at this, Conrad. Look where we are, bro. Now check all this old stuff out, mate. Look at this here, Andy. Look, that's a piece of engineering, that, innit? Hey, if I've ever seen a piece of engineering, this is it right now.
Where we are.
Look, oh, here's the time, look here. Conrad, here's how you do the time.
In a fucking bell tower.
I can't believe we're in a bell tower. Look. I don't even know what's going on here, guys, but I don't know what that does. But this is absolutely quality. Yeah, I know there's landline. I know we have. I can't even believe it. No one's gonna believe this. Oh yeah, we've got it on camera, mate.
I don't know what Big Ben looks like.
I know, yeah. Yo, this is sick, mate. This is just like amazing. Honest to God, I've never seen out as quality as this.
Look outside, you can see the fucking handles moving.
Oh no way, man. Does that turn? Oh, you're turning the clock, Joe. Go on, turn it. Oh, 1 minute. But no way does that turn the handles, man. Yeah, what does this one do here? Oh my God, yeah, look. I don't know if you can see the handles outside, but look. Everybody will be like, fucking hell, look, the clocks are working.
On top, man.
I know, yeah. It will do, won't it? All the clocks spinning around on the fucking tower. I can't believe this. This is the old we've just come through, like Fred Dibner.
Well, come to see a fucking tunnel.
Well, you know what? We drove past this place the other week and I said to Conan, I went, look at that place there, it's like a little village. I went, it's got a church and everything. Now, I don't think he remembers, but... Oh my gosh, that goes so far down, that.
They're the fucking pendulum things, and that's what keep calling.
Yeah. Right, who's going down first? Or you're taking in a moment? Look at them ladders, just look at the age of everything. It's just unbelievable. Right, I'm just gonna shoot off for a sec. So guys, we've just come back down from up here, where you can see the bell tower. We are, the clock tower. We are now here in the bell tower with this thing here. Oh my God, Andy. Holy shit. I didn't know it worked.
Villages will go somewhere. I think it's fucking Judgment Day.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking corpses will come out of that fucking ground.
Oh, I can't believe it worked.
Can't wait to see your video on this, man.
This is gonna be quality, bro. Oh my days. Right, guys.
Your video, eh?
Yeah.
You're gonna fucking give me an ass. I'm fucking full of flu. Just come out of hospital dying. Look at me. Fucking 40 floors up in a fucking old house.
Oh look, it's bad. You can just see straight outside there, isn't it? I'm just zooming out there, guys. I don't know if you're picking that up.
Ash, what did I say to you a couple of hours ago? Got fucking banging migraine at me, and you stick me in a bell tower and start ringing bells.
Can I do it one more time?
No. That's my fucking brain's rattling around here.
Right, we're gonna go down now.